Chicago approach, November 181 Tango Papa via far request.
181 Tango Papa, go ahead.
181 Tango Papa is just off Lewis, about 3 miles to the north. We're at 2,000 level. We have information, hotel for O'Hare. We'd like to request us to do a low approach. We called earlier about it. That works for you?
Papa, roger. 181 Tango Papa, squawk 5174, ident.
5174 in the box and ident, 1 Tango Papa.
Got it. Okay.
Morning, 1 Tango Papa, radar contact 15 southwest of the Midway Airport, altimeter 299 and maintain VFR into the Bravo Air, you're clear into the Bravo airspace, maintain VFR 4,500.
VFR 4,500 clear into the class Bravo airspace, November 1 Tango Papa.
Alright. Woohoo! You're so excited.
I am. This is great.
Going up to 4,500.
Number 1 Tango Papa, maintain VFR, flighting 070.
Heading 070, maintain VFR, 1 Tango Papa.
Number 8 Delta Charlie, just to maintain 3,000. Number 338, contact Rockford approach on 121.0. 1 Tango Papa, you can maintain VFR now at 3,500. Next control will work you, and you can expect 27 left, it looks like.
3,500, expecting 27 left, thanks. 1 Tango Papa.
That was 2055, 170 until runs,
27
contact
left?
tower
Yep.
runs, 135.2.
Yeah, I'll descend right now.
runs, tower there, southwest 2055. That was 2358, reduced speed to 200, flighting 050. 200 knots, heading 050, so it's 2358. Southwest 3790, to maintain 5,000. Down to 5,000, southwest 3790.
Alright, looks like 110.5 for the loc. I'll put it in nav.
Number 1 Tango Papa, turn left heading 060.
060, 1 Tango Papa.
Number 41 Delta, reset your transponder, squawk 5312. 5312. Number 1 Tango Papa, contact approach on 119.0.
19-0, thanks for the help, 1 Tango Papa. Oh, okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
That was 2358, reduced speed to 170, you're following your company 737.
Chicago approach, November 181 Tango Papa is descending 3,900 for 3,500 on a heading of 060. We have hotel for O'Hare.
Number 181 Tango Papa, Chicago approach, runway 27 left.
27 left, 1 Tango Papa.
So he just caught him on the line.
You want an ILS approach or just want a visual approach to 27 left?
We can take the visual, but we'll just back it up with the ILS, 1 Tango Papa.
Thank you. O'Hare information, India is current.
We will pick up India, 1 Tango Papa.
Facility closed to aircraft de-icing when ready with taxi. Contact ground metering on frequency
110.5.
7.
Yep, got it.
Course 273.
Initial contact. You have information, India.
It's in there.
Okay.
Yeah, there's like...
1 Tango Papa, there's a heavy 767 at your 9 o'clock and 3 miles. They're headed eastbound, descending out of 6 for 4,000 feet.
We have one at 11 o'clock. I'm not sure if that's him in sight. 1 Tango Papa.
He's 9 o'clock, you'll see him in a moment.
Traffic in sight, 1 Tango Papa.
Roger.
You got him?
He's like a beam your strut, or this strut right here.
I do not see him at all.
Okay. He's like over the water right now, like crossing the shoreline right now.
What else?
1 Tango Papa, you can expect a base turn and lower in about 4 miles.
1 Tango Papa, roger.
Oh, I got it. Wait, that guy right there? Or?
No, the one that's, he is like a beam the...
I still do not see. Oh, there he is. Oh, he's right there.
Yeah.
He's right next to us. Damn.
1 Tango Papa, turn left heading 360.
360, 1 Tango Papa.
That's nice. Wow.
Number 1 Tango Papa, turn left heading 300, intercept 27 left, localizer.
300, intercept runway 27 left, localizer, 1 Tango Papa.
Alright, mixture rich. Fuel fullest tank, we'll keep it on the left for right now. And 300, 2300.
Number 1 Tango Papa, there's RG traffic 2 miles south of your position. He's going to join the south parallel runway.
Looking for traffic, 1 Tango Papa.
2 miles south. He'll pass us.
Yeah.
From behind, I don't see anything on the...
Fish finder?
No. You guys still call it that? Alright.
Number 1 Tango Papa, report the field.
Field's in sight, 1 Tango Papa.
Number 1 Tango Papa, cleared visual approach, runway 27 left.
Cleared visual approach, runway 27 left, 1 Tango Papa.
You got tower in there?
I do.
Oh, that's gonna be insane. Don't die on me, battery.
We got 6 tower frequencies.
Seriously?
Yeah.
That's insane. I don't know. For each runway or something?
Total there's 6, yeah. Pick the first one, we'll see if it's that one.
Yeah, who knows what it's gonna be. Alright, descent checklist is complete. We're at the Aviation way AWAS. Let's do gas is on, the full tank on carriage, flaps are good, mixture full rich, fuel pump is on, and then your seatbelts are on.
Localizer coming in.
Right? Yeah, I got 27 left right there.
Okay.
That's the one right off the... Yeah. That's it. I don't know how I would do this without without a localizer.
Yeah.
Alright, sounds good, thanks. American 1838, contact 125.0. 250, American 1838.
O'Hare Tower, November 181 Tango Papa's over Taos through the visual approach, runway 27 left. We'd like to do a low approach and then we'd like to eventually go southbound out of the Bravo.
November 181 Tango Papa, unable to southbound turn. Runway 27 left, clear low approach. After low approach, continue westbound.
Runway 27 left, clear for the low approach, and after the low approach, continue westbound. 1 Tango Papa.
2499, runway 28 right, November 5, line up and wait. American 2499, we need about 2 mics. American 2499, continue November, Yankee full length departure, runway 28 right when you're ready. Alright, November Yankee full length, American 2499.
Sorry, your 2 mics are not fast enough, bro.
What are 2 mics, 2 minutes?
No, that's the joke, that you have no idea what it is.
Zero Romeo, do we go all the way to 22 left? If you're not ready, yes, pass up Yankee.
Roger.
You're clear for the low approach.
1462, cross runway 28 right, cross November behind American, then contact point 9.
Alright, cross runway 28 right, and then join November behind American, and we'll contact on Delta 1462.
Highway 3099, contact 125.0.
25 nothing, we'll see you.
American 2499, we can be ready.
2 mil final.
I want to slow down once I get a little bit closer.
Yeah.
Look at ye. Oh, the plane's parked.
And Tower, American 2499, we can be ready now if that'll work. It's not. Go back to the left, go to the full length as instructed, sir. American 2499.
Speedbird 20 Romeo, we are now fully ready.
Speedbird 20 Romeo Heavy, make the left turn, Victor, Yankee, hold short November.
Left Victor, Yankee, hold short November, Speedbird 20 Romeo.
Wisconsin 3722 on Papa.
Air Wisconsin 3722, verify your gate.
Fox 7.
Thank you. Turn left on Tango, hold short runway 28 right, Air Wisconsin 3722.
Alright, left to Tango, short up 3 right, Wisconsin on 3722.
O'Hare, runway 4163, Seika.
Envoy 4163, runway 28 center, clear to land.
28 center, clear to land, envoy 4163.
Beautiful. I've never had those lights before either.
2 red and 2 white?
Yeah. Still on the glide slope. I'm just gonna fly right along the runway. About 90 knots.
Air Wisconsin 3722, cross runway 28 right, then contact point 9.
Alright, cross 28 right, point 9 on the other side, Wisconsin 3722, bye.
Oh, it's parked planes.
Tower 3675, runway 28 right, November 5, line up and wait.
28 right, November 5, line up and wait, Sky West, 3675.
Oh, a fair amount of planes.
Yeah.
1 Tango Papa, where did you want to head?
Eventually southbound back towards Lewis, but we can do that whenever works.
1 Tango Papa, turn left heading 180, maintain VFR.
180, maintain VFR, 1 Tango Papa. Wow, look at all those planes.
This is insane. This is crazy.
Oh my god.
Flying right over the field. Alright, 180.
One Tango Papa, maintain VFR out below 4,500, contact 125.0.
At or below 4,500 and 125.0, appreciate the help, 1 Tango Papa.
Good day.
Wow.
Chicago departure November 181 Tango Papa is 1,500 for VFR at or below 4,500, heading 180 sign, we'd like to go towards Lewis.
They're 181 Tango Papa, Chicago, roger, and maintain that or below 2,500, the altimeter is 299.6.
At or below 2,500, 181 Tango Papa.
Oh, I got it. Alright, I'm gonna go up to 2,000.
Okay.
For taxi.
That was gnarly.
They're 1 Tango Papa, proceed on course to Lewis, no further right than a 210 heading for now.
No further right than a 210 heading towards Lewis, 181 Tango Papa.